Over the hills and far away, Teletubbies come to play.
1, 2, 3, 4. Teletubbies!
Time for Teletubbies. Time for Teletubbies. Time for Teletubbies. Time for Teletubbies.
Tinky, Winky,
Tinky, Winky,
Dipsy, Laa-Laa,
Laa-Laa.
Ho,
Oh.
Teletubbies.
Teletubbies.
Say hello. Tinky, Winky, Dipsy, Laa-Laa, Ho, Teletubbies.
Teletubbies.
big
Where have the Teletubbies gone?
Tinky, Winky, Pinkle, Winkle, Tinky, Winky, Pinkle, Winkle, Tinky, Winky.
One day,
Winkle, Winky.
in Teletubbyland, Tinky Winky was out for a walk.
Out for a walk. Uh-oh.
When he felt like falling over.
Uh-oh. Look.
Tinky Winky saw a cloud floating high up in the sky. It made him feel like putting his arms right up high. Tinky Winky was out for a walk when Tinky Winky saw a little round bush.
Look. Little round bush.
It made him feel like being little and round.
Little and round.
Tinky Winky was out for a walk when Tinky Winky saw 3 trees in a line.
Look! 3 trees in a line. 1, 2, 3. 3 trees. 3 trees.
It made him feel like doing 3 big jumps.
Phew. And free! Oh no! Oh no!
Tinky Winky was out for a walk when Tinky Winky saw
Look!
Dipsy, Laa-Laa and Po.
Dipsy, Laa-Laa and Po!
And it made him want to run and jump and skip and wave his arms. Because Teletubbies love each other very much.
Big hug! Tinky Winky!
Dipsy! Laa-Laa!
Oh, yeah!
Walk in the woods. Hey. My name's Freda, and I'm 5, and this is my friend called Sarah, she's 2. I don't know. This is Denise. She's taking us for a walk in the woods. Found a giant pond. You can see a giant pond today. We found a pond in the woods. There might be fishes in there. Fishes! There's one. We found some sticks.
Some branches had fallen in the pond.
Denise slipped under a tree trunk.
Fraser, Sarah, come here. Come and see all the creepy crawlies.
Lots of creatures hide under rocks. Look like crocodile. That one is very wiggly.
Fraser, underneath here. Underneath, move that.
I love worms. Love worms.
Softly, softly, remember. Oh, look, I found another one. Look.
I have that?
Yes, very softly then. Pick him up very softly.
You have to be very gentle when you hold your arms. There's one there. We'll pick that one up for me. Let's find some more worms. Not need this one, I really love one. Why don't we see if we can find a big sally one? Okay. I have worms.
Will we put them back under?
No. I love them. And there's another one. There's two. Ah, climbing under there. That one, I'm put it in the soil. Bye-bye, worms. Yeah, I'm going with the baby. Bye-bye, creeper crawlies! And everyone! Bye.
One day in Teletubby Land, Dipsy decided to go for a walk.
Go for a walk. Away, away. Away, away. Away, away, away. Away, away.
He started at the windmill. Po decided to go with Dipsy.
Go with Dipsy.
But then she changed her mind.
Take the bite.
Uh-oh, Dipsy!
Oh, Tinky Winky.
We're going.
Pardon?
We're going.
Away. Away, away.
Pardon?
Away. Away, away.
Away, away, away.
Yes.
Oh. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye, Tinky Winky. Oh. Dipsy! Uh-oh! Oh, Laa-Laa! Uh-oh! Where'd you go, Em? Away, away, away! Pardon? Away, away, away! Away? Yes! Ooh! Bye-bye! Bye-bye.
Po decided to go with Dipsy,
Go be Dipsy.
but then she changed her mind.
Oh, tired. Oh dear.
Dipsy walked and walked and walked far, 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 and then he stopped.
Wow, wow.
Dipsy had walked a very long way.
A very long way. Away, 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 away.
And then it was time for Dipsy to go home.
Time to go home.
Po decided to go with Dipsy,
Go be Dipsy. Oh,
but then she changed her mind.
change the bite. Fighting, 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 mama. Dipsy!
Oh, Laa-Laa.
Uh-oh! Where's your bobbin?
Pardon?
Where's your bobbin?
Home.
Pardon?
Home.
Who?
Yes.
Ooh. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye, Laa-Laa.
Uh-oh, Dipsy.
Oh, Tinky Winky.
We're going.
Pardon?
We're going.
Home.
Pardon?
Home.
Home?
Yes.
Ah. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye, Tinky Winky. Oh. Ooh. Home. 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 Home, 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 home.
Teletubbyland, Laa-Laa decided to go for a happy walk.
Laa-Laa's happy walk. Uh-oh.
Dipsy and Tinky Winky went too.
Dipsy, Tinky, Winky? Oh.
Laa-Laa walked over the hills. Tinky Winky and Dipsy went too. Laa-Laa smelled a beautiful flower.
Ooh. Oh. Wow. Look, the beautiful flower. Oh. Oh, nice.
Dipsy and Tinky Winky smelled it as well.
Uh-oh. Dipsy and the Tinky Winky? No.
Laa-Laa had had such a happy day that she decided to dance a happy dance.
Oh! The happy day, little Laa-Laa had a happy day, happy day, Laa-Laa, a happy day,
Dipsy and Tinky Winky danced too.
Where's the Tinky Winky and the Dipsy? Tinky Winky Dipsy!
What a happy day.
Happy day! Happy day!
Tinky Winky.
Dipsy! Laa-Laa!
My name's Kevin, and this is Trixie. And I'm Ellie and Trixie's daddy. We're going for a walk, aren't we, Ellie? Come on then.
Come with us, we're going for a walk. Be careful, there's lots of traffic. Stop at the edge, Daddy! Maya! This is my friend Maya. Bye! Bye-bye, Lily. Bye-bye. Bye. See you later. We'll see you when we get back. The red man says wait. The green man says cross.
Help me through. Good girl. Open it for us. That's it. Good girl. There you go. There we go.
Pick me up, Daddy. Pick me up.
Ready? 1, 2, 3.
Duck down, Daddy. Duck down, Daddy. Now we're going back home. We've got to go back at the road.
That's it. You close it. Good girl.
And we're going to cross the road. The red light says stop. And the green light says go. That's my friend George.
Nice ones.
We're going to see Maya again.
Stop at the edge.
Stop.
We're home now. Come on in.
Time for Tubby bye-bye. Time for Tubby bye-bye. Time for Tubby bye-bye.
Bye-bye, Tinky Winky.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye, Dipsy.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye, Laa-Laa.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye, Po.
Boo!
No.
No.
Bye-bye, Tinky Winky.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye, Dipsy.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye, Laa-Laa.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye, Po.
Bye-bye.
The sun is setting in the sky. Teletubbies, say goodbye.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.